Hey guys, Andrew with Painless here, and today I'm going to go over the different chassis harnesses we offer. So the first harness I'm going to talk about is our Customizable line. We offer these harnesses in an 8 fuse 18 circuit, 11 fuse 21 circuit, or 18 fuse 28 circuit option. These harnesses are going to give you all high grade TXL wire, but they're really universal based, so they're not going to have vehicle specific connectors. These work great for the kind of obscure cars that there's not a specific harness for. Old hot rods, Model A's, anything like that, they're going to work perfect. We're going to give you all the terminals and the universal based stuff. We're going to give you flasher relays, horn relay. Every circuit's going to be fused. It's going to be fuse protected from the alternator as well, keeping the whole system safe, but not a lot of specific connectors. For that reason, these harnesses are a little bit cheaper. They start about $230 for the 18 circuit, $250 for the 21 circuit, but there's a little more labor on your end. We give you a ton of extra wire length, so from the firewall forward you have 18 feet, firewall back you have 22 feet. So it makes it really easy to custom route, fit it to your car, cut to length. All the wires are going to be printed and labeled on them, so it'll tell you where it's going, where it's coming from, and they're all easy to reference in the installation manual as well. One thing with the customizable harnesses, all the wires are grouped into sections. So there's engine section, headlight section, so you know exactly where everything's going. Then you just run it to your components, cut to length, and then terminate. You may have to reuse your factory connectors just depending on the setup you're using, or you can use the spade connectors we provide to wire into things. So the next harness we're going to talk about is our Pro Series line. Now the Pro Series is kind of a happy medium between our complete customizable, more universal based, and one of our direct fit vehicle specific harnesses. With the Pro Series, we give you all the open-ended wiring, much like the customizable harness. It's all labeled on it, grouped into sections so you know where to route it. But we give you a ton of GM connectors and terminals that they used in the 60s and 70s vehicles so you can fit it to your car. These harnesses are going to be great for the custom builds. If you're smoothing your firewall, you don't want to do the bulkhead connector. And then with that extra length wiring, you can custom route it, keep the wiring completely hidden. But they also work great for the cars that we don't offer a vehicle specific. So say a 71 Impala, anything like that, it has all the connectors, all the terminals to fit it to your car. With the Pro Series line, we offer them in an 11 fuse 23 circuit or an 18 fuse 25 circuit option. So if you're doing power windows, power locks, we have the bigger fuse block. We offer it with the grommet pass-through. Then we have the bulkhead connector the GM used in the 68 and up vehicles. We offer it with that for the cars, and we also offer a pickup version with the bulkhead that passes all the tail harness wiring through the bulkhead so it goes along the frame. These harnesses include a 6-gauge charge wire and a MIDI fuse to protect the system, so they'll handle any high amperage alternator. We also include mastic heat shrink, electrical tape, ground straps, everything you're going to need to wire your car. Lastly, we're going to talk about our Pre-Terminated direct fit line of harnesses. The direct fit line utilizes the same TXL wire as the other harnesses, but the main difference on this is that we pre-terminate almost every single connector for you. So it's a plug and play installation for specific vehicles as opposed to cutting, building it to your car. While these harnesses are direct fit, they're not going to be an exact restoration harness. You're not going to find any glass fuses. It's going to have extra circuitry for modern amenities. It's going to be all bladed fuses. They'll handle all the factory options, and a lot of the harnesses like the 69 Chevelle come with a console harness as well. So if you don't have a console and decide to add one, it's easy to plug in the harness later. These harnesses utilize all factory style connectors, and we also print on each wire as well. The installation manual covers everything you're going to need to know and makes it a really easy step-by-step process to put one of these harnesses in. No matter which chassis harness you decide is best for your build, every single one of them is produced right here in Fort Worth, Texas, and we offer a lifetime warranty on all of them. To view all of these chassis harnesses as well as our fuel injection line, relay kits, wiring accessories, and more, visit our website at painlessperformance.com. Thanks.